Hello everyone. Sarah here from Learn Urdu with Sarah. Today I'm going to teach you chahiye, which means need. To use this construction, you would first have to mark the logical subject with go. So here the logical subject is I, which is मैं. मैं should be marked with go. Then it becomes मुझको or मुझे. Now, चाहिए would come in the end. मुझे चाहिए. That means I need. मुझे or the subject can be preceded by a noun or verbal infinitive. So suppose you need water. Do you know what water is in Urdu and Hindi? It is pani. So, मुझे पानी चाहिए. That means I need water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. So here you need that noun, but it can also be preceded by a verbal infinitive. For example, you need to drink that water. So to drink is pina. This is a verbal infinitive. So you can just put it between mujhe and chahiye. Mujhe pina chahiye. I should or I need to drink. So here you need to do that verb. मुझे पीना चाहिए. I need to drink. मुझे पानी पीना चाहिए. I should drink more water. I hope it is clear. Watch more videos on Urdu grammar. You can follow this link. It is also in the description box. Have a nice day. Goodbye.